Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to the online class of Milestone School and College. How are you all? Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Farida Yasmin, teacher of Milestone School and College, Mohammedpur branch, would like to conduct you today's business entrepreneurship class. Today our topic is chapter 11, that is ethics and social responsibilities in business. So dear student, take your business entrepreneurship book and copy with you and get ready for the class. Students, today we will learn about chapter 11, that is business ethics and social responsibility. So everyone turn book page 140. My dear student, all of you already know that the main objective of business is generating profit, but it has to maintain some ethics and social responsibilities too. As a part of the society, the entrepreneur and business organization has to bear in mind and uphold the idea of social values, morality, and positive attitude towards the society. So, before learning this chapter, you have to know the concept of business values and ethics. Concepts of business values and ethics are indispensable to each other. Values and ethics help a man to differentiate between justice and injustice, right and wrong, good and bad, etc. It indicates the goodness of human life. It is really necessary to follow the ethical standard of the behavior of people to form a happy society and country as well. So, what is values? Let us start with values. Value is the wisdom and attitude of the society which is treated as valuable and eligible to be followed by others. And ethical principle means the ability to differentiate between good and bad, do's and don'ts, etc. So, from values and ethics, we can find out the definition of business ethics. Let's start with business ethics. What is business ethics? The word ethics has evolved from the Greek word ethos. That means the word ethics is an English word. It has evolved from the Greek word ethos. The word ethos means standard of human behavior. So, ethics means the capacity of analyzing the good and bad and accepting the right things. In a business, there are lots of tasks related from the very beginning to the operation level. Okay, there are some ethical values in operating a business too. It means that business should be operated through maintaining the interest of the stakeholders. Other ethics of business are like to maintain honesty, to produce market harmful products, not to produce market harmful products, not to cheat with the customer, not to sell expired product, not to make any artificial scarcity of products, or to follow the commercial and industrial law of the state, not to pollute environment, etc. From this definition, we can realize the necessity of business values and ethics. In our country, making excessive profit and illegality in business is increasing day by day. Ethical practice in business in Bangladesh is not satisfactory at all. For the following reasons, necessity of business values and ethics are immense. Number 1, unethical activities is not expected from man, who is the best creation of God. Dear student, we the man is the best creation of God. It's really unexpected to do any unethical activities and attitude. Then, number 2, it's an ethical obligations of a businessman to supply right goods and service. Number 3, the ethical mentality of the manufacturer of medicine can save from the devastating consequence. Like medicine contamination causes death in many cases. The ethical mentality of the manufacturer can remove this type of problem or this type of consequence, can save us from this type of consequences. Okay, then number 3, business is a social institution. It's responsible to look after the good, bad welfare of the society. Then the role of ethics is huge to maintain and operate the business with sound and proper way. Okay, the decision of the business are correct if the general rule for ethics are followed. Okay, that was briefly I just described the necessity of business values and ethics. Our next topic of this lesson is concept of social responsibility. The social responsibility of business means to contribute to the well-being and welfare activities of the society along with earning profit. That is, social responsibility of business is to contribute to the well-being and welfare activities of the society along with earning profit. That means, from ancient times, the objective of the business has concentrated on profit only, but the concept has been changed now. Business is a social organization. Its activities is also revolve around the society to estimate the demand for goods and service and manufacture and supply them accordingly to meet up the demand are the main activities of business nowadays. Okay, so what are the social responsibilities of business? Social responsibilities of business: state, society, buyer, worker, etc. are the stakeholders of business. In this competitive business world, the business person has to carry out responsibility to various stakeholders along with maintaining sustenance as per profit growth. The stakeholders of business are whom? Yes, the stakeholders of business are state, society, buyer, worker, etc. These parties are involved with the business by some means. So the responsibility of business has to fill up for these all stakeholders. First of all, the social responsibility of business is to state. The objective of the state is to ensure that business is done protecting the interest of the people. Government is happy if demand for goods and services of mass is met through establishing business and developing employment as well. The following responsibilities are to be carried by the business to the state. That means, what type of responsibility can a businessman carry to a state? Number 1, they can pay tax to the government regularly. Number 2, they can follow the rules and regulations properly. Number 3, they can contribute for employment generation and economic development as well, etc. Okay, then what are the responsibility to the society? The business is developed from enjoying various facilities from the society. So business has to carry out the following responsibilities favoring the society. A business firm can produce quality products and supply them as per demand for the society. It can create opportunity for employment generation, or you can say it can assist in various public welfare works. It stands by the people at natural calamities. It safeguards the environment from pollution. Business is not creating artificial storage of goods, but for making artificial scarcity to make extra profit is prohibited in nowadays of business. Okay, then responsibilities to customer and consumer. Actually, in a business, the success is depend upon the trust and cooperation of buyer and consumer. If the business the businessman has to carry out some responsibilities, like a businessman has to keep product market stabilized. Then a businessman has to supply quality products. A businessman has to make product easily available and to provide various information on products and markets. And the last responsibilities, we can say the responsibility of business to employees. The profit of the business is earned through the untiring effort of employees and staffs. Thus, business cannot be operated ignoring their interest. With the progress of business, their salaries and wages should be increased. So, what type of responsibilities of business can be filled up to the employees? Number one, to provide proper wages and financial benefit. Number two, to provide job security. Number three, to ensure suitable working environment. Number four, to arrange training and promotion. Number five, to arrange for residence and treatment. Students, though for many decades the social responsibility of business has been disregarded, but nowadays many organizations of home and abroad are coming forward for social activities. In Bangladesh, the tendency of corporate social responsibility has started recently. Bangladesh is hopeful that the profit-oriented entrepreneurs of our country will come forward to carry out the social responsibility more and more in the future, along with operating business. Now, the last topic of today's chapter or lesson is business and environment pollution. The causes of environment pollution through business is industrial waste stages and liquids are polluting water, then contaminated water becomes toxic for the living beings of water, then throwing wastes here and there and fumes from the industries pollute air, then factory machine and generator with their awful noise causes sound pollution, and cutting down of trees and filling up the canals for the industrialization purpose. Student, the main disadvantages of business, especially of industry, is environmental pollution. We have to take necessary steps, or we can think some necessary measures to stop this type of environment pollution through business. So let us think what type of measures we can take. Measures to prevent environment pollution. Number one, government has introduced new law to prevent pollution. We can implement this law, that means proper implementation of the law. Then making awareness about the effects of pollution, developing wastage management system, and inclusion of course on environmental pollution in the curriculum. My dear student, that was our today's lesson. I think all of you have understand all of the topics of this chapter. So let us recall what have we learned today. We have learned the concept of business values and ethics, necessity of business values and ethics, concept of social responsibility of business to various stakeholders, then environment pollution and business. Today your homework is to learn number A, what do you understand by ethics in business for marks 2. To write this answer, you have to maintain 2 individual para, and in first para you can write the information of the word ethics. That is, the word ethics is evolved from the Greek word ethos, that means the standard of human behavior. Then in the second para you can write the definition of ethics. Then number B, what are the reasons for businessmen to carry out social responsibilities? Marks 3. For marks 3, you have to maintain 3 individual para. In first para, you can write the definition of social responsibilities. Then in the second para, you can write what are the necessary or what are the reasons of social responsibilities in business. And in third para, you can write briefly what have you understand or what do you want to say in one sentence. Okay, that's all from today. Thank you for watching my class. Assalamu alaikum.